Hi guys, in this tutorial we'll tell you how to protect your account with two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication is an extra layer of protection used to ensure the security of online accounts beyond just a username and password. So let's enable two-factor authentication for your account. Go to appipie.com and click on Login. Enter your account credentials and click on Login to continue. On the dashboard, open Profile menu and go to My Account. Now go to Security. Click on Add Google Authenticator. Here you need to scan the QR code within the Authenticator app. You can use any Authenticator app, however, we recommend using Google Authenticator. Here's explain the process of scanning the QR code with Google Authenticator on an iOS device. Tap App Store. Search Google Authenticator and install the app on your device. Open the app. If you are a first-time user, tap Begin Setup, else tap plus icon. Tap Scan Barcode. Scan the QR code. A 6-digit number will appear. This number is generated every 30 seconds and is valid for 60 seconds only. Enter the 6-digit code in the Authentication Code field and click on Confirm. From here, you can download the code or copy it to a clipboard. Once done, click on Close to continue. It's time to test the authentication method. Open Profile menu and click on Log Out to leave the portal. You will be redirected to appipie's homepage. Click on Login, enter your account credentials, and click on Login to continue. Now open the Authenticator app on your phone. Enter the 6-digit code shown in the app and click on Sign In to your account. You will be redirected to your account dashboard. That's all for now. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel to learn app building the no coding way. Thanks for watching.